mulai dong.
Balik tabi.
Wis mulai ko na, ma.
Sure.
Kontak ko. Wis. Ya.
Good morning. Please have a seat. Let's start with a brief introduction. Tell me about yourself and your activities since graduating.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for inviting me. My name is Muhammad Aurelio Fayasarafi, and I recently graduated from SMA 1 Indramayu, where I major in social science. Since I graduating, I have been focused on developing my skills. For example, I've been taking an online course to prepare myself for the professional world. During school, I wasn't just a student. I was also active in organisasi siswa. This experience helped me understand how to manage my time and work under pressure. I am now looking for apply that dedication to a full-time role in your company.
Okay, since you don't have formal work experience yet, how can we be sure you can work well in a team?
Well, that's a fair question. While I haven't worked in a corporate office, I had significant experience collaborating with others. For instance, in my senior year, I was part of the committee for Maulid Nabi. My role was to coordinate with the vendor or manage the budget. There were times when we had disagreements, but I always tried to be the mediator. I believe that listening to others and finding a middle ground is the best way to achieve a common goal. I am already I am ready to bring the same collaborative spirit to your team here.
How do you feel about receiving feedback or criticism, especially if you make a mistake?
Actually, value feedback because as a fresh graduate, I know I have a lot to learn. If I make a mistake, I don't take it personal. Instead, I see it as a learning opportunity. If if my supervisor corrects me, I usually take notes so I don't repeat the same mistake twice. I would rather be correct early so I can improve my performance and contribute better to the company's success.
In this position, it can get very busy. How do you handle stress when you make many tasks at once?
When things get overwhelming, I tend to stay calm and prioritize. I usually take a to-do list and rank tasks from the most urgent to the least urgent. For example, during exam weeks at school, while I was also busy with school organization, I used a schedule to make sure my responsibilities were all met. I am focused. I am used to stay focused on my goals even when the environment is fast paced.
What do you know about our company and how and why do you want to start your career here?
I've done some research and I know that you is a leader in SPPG. I've also heard that his company provide a great environment for entry level employees to grow. Uh, I want to start my career here because I want to build a strong foundation. I am looking for a place where hard work is appreciated and where I can stay long term to grow with the company. Yes,
Okay, thank you.
okay. Yes. Yeah.
Bakit ba kaya